Look at this, guys. Come on, camera. Look at this, guys. Look how low it is. I'm right in the Walmart parking lot. Look at this thing. Look where I am, guys. I'm at Walmart. Holy shit. Look at it in the trees. Look at it. Look at it tracking me, guys. Look at that thing. Look at this thing. Unbelievable, it's in the trees. Holy shit, guys. Wow. Look, there's another one right here, guys. Oh my God. They want me bad tonight, guys. Look at this shit. Look at it in the parking lot, tracking me, guys. Look at it. Look at it right there. All one video, guys. Look at that thing. Right in the parking lot at Walmart. Look at this tyranny I'm showing you guys. God help us, man. Get the fuck out of America, guys. Leave America now. Look what's going on. Look at this fucking bullshit, man. Look what I'm showing you guys. They're coming for me. I'm not a terrorist. I'm just an American, man. I'm a bus driver. Look at this shit. Fucking scout ship tracking me. Unbelievable. God help us. Stop the New World Order. If you live in America, move, guys. Look what the fuck I'm showing you guys!